Why does the ultimate first cause have to be a mind and not an abstract object, like math or numbers? One of the most significant questions that often arises in the realm of metaphysics is, why does the ultimate first cause of the universe have to be an intelligent mind, and not an abstract object like math or numbers? This question touches on the fundamental nature of existence, causality, and whether the universe's origin can be adequately explained by something as abstract and impersonal as mathematical truths, or whether it requires the intentionality of a conscious mind. In this article, I will explore why the ultimate first cause of reality must be an intelligent mind rather than an abstract object like mathematics. This reasoning is grounded in the nature of causality, the limitations of abstract entities, and the necessity of intentionality behind the structured, purposeful universe we observe. One, causal inadequacy of abstract objects. To begin, abstract objects, such as mathematical truths, numbers, or geometrical principles, are causally inert. They do not have causal power, meaning they cannot bring anything into existence or cause anything to happen. Numbers, for instance, can describe relationships, quantities, and patterns in the world, but they do not cause those relationships to exist. For example, the number 7 can describe the quantity of apples in a basket, but it cannot cause the apples to be there. A mathematical equation like E equals mc squared describes the relationship between energy and mass, but it does not cause energy to exist. Abstract objects are, by their very nature, descriptive rather than creative. They do not act upon reality, rather, they serve as tools that help us describe and understand reality. This distinction is crucial because the ultimate first cause, the cause of the universe and all of existence, must be something that is capable of creating or bringing about the existence of the universe. Since abstract objects cannot do this, they cannot be the ultimate first cause. 2. A first cause must have causal power. If the first cause is to be the origin of everything in existence, it must possess causal power, the ability to initiate and bring into being the entire universe. Unlike abstract objects, which merely describe patterns or principles, a mind has intentionality and agency, the capacity to bring about effects and initiate causes. A mind can choose to act, whereas abstract objects like numbers do not have volition or the power to cause changes. A mind has the power to bring things into existence through intention and creative will, while numbers can only describe things that already exist. The fact that we live in a universe that exists, that is structured, and that follows rational, mathematical laws, suggests that the ultimate first cause was not something impersonal like math, but rather something capable of intentional action, a mind that chose to create and order the universe. Three, mathematics describes, but a mind creates. Mathematics and logic, while incredibly powerful tools for describing the universe, do not explain the existence of the universe itself. They provide a framework for understanding how the universe operates, but they do not account for why the universe exists in the first place or why it is structured in the way that it is. Mathematical truths are necessary and eternal in the sense that they describe relationships that hold regardless of the physical world. However, they do not create those relationships. For instance, mathematical truths such as 2 plus 2 equals 4 are necessarily true, but they do not cause there to be two objects or a sum of four objects in the physical world. Geometrical principles can describe the properties of triangles, but they do not cause physical triangles to exist. In contrast, an intelligent mind has the capacity to bring into existence both the physical entities that mathematics describes and the mathematical laws themselves. The mind can create the order, structure, and intelligibility that mathematics later describes. Therefore, while mathematics is indispensable for describing the universe, it does not have the power to explain the cause of the universe. That role belongs to a mind. 4. The necessity of intentionality and purpose. One of the key reasons why the ultimate first cause must be a mind is the necessity of intentionality and purpose. The universe is not only structured and ordered, but it also appears to be finely tuned for life and human understanding. This fine-tuning suggests that the universe is not the result of a random or accidental process but rather the result of an intentional act of creation. A mind is capable of acting with purpose and intention, qualities that are necessary to explain why the universe is so precisely structured to support life. Abstract objects like numbers and mathematical laws do not have goals or intentions. They describe what is, but they do not explain why the universe came to be in such a way that life and rationality are possible. If the universe is finely tuned for life, as many physicists argue, then it is reasonable to conclude that this tuning was the result of a deliberate choice by an intelligent being. Abstract objects cannot make choices, only a mind can. 5. A mind explains the rationality and intelligibility of the universe. The fact that the universe operates according to rational, mathematical, and logical laws points to an intelligent source. If the universe were the product of mere chance or random processes, we would not expect it to be so intelligible or so closely aligned with the kind of rational, mathematical reasoning that human minds are capable of. The universe's intelligibility, the fact that it can be understood and described using rational principles, suggests that it was created by a rational mind. A mind is the only entity capable of creating a universe that can be understood rationally. Mathematical laws are discovered by human minds, but they were in place long before humans existed. This points to the fact that the universe itself is the product of a rational mind that put those laws in place. 6. Conclusion. The ultimate first cause must be a mind, not an abstract object. In conclusion, the ultimate first cause of the universe must be a mind rather than an abstract object like mathematics or numbers. This is because abstract objects are causally impotent, they describe but cannot create. A mind has causal power, intentionality, and the ability to bring about effects. The fine-tuning and intelligibility of the universe suggest a purposeful, rational cause, qualities that can only be attributed to a mind. Therefore, while mathematics and abstract objects play a vital role in describing the universe, they cannot serve as the ultimate explanation for its existence. The ultimate first cause must be an intelligent, intentional mind capable of creating, ordering, and sustaining the universe. From a Christian perspective, this mind is identified as God, the creator and sustainer of all things. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and comment below if you agree or would like to add your thoughts. If you would like me to respond to your comment, please make a level 1 comment directly below the video. I will respond to all polite level 1 comments even if it takes me a while, due to other commitments.